YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sherri. Thank you so much for being here today. Today I am back with another lash stash video to do a little demo and a mini review on a pair of false lashes for you so you can see what they look like and get my opinion on them. Today I am doing a little demo and review of the number 43 by Christina. They look like that. I learned about them from, I learned about the number 43 red cherry lashes from Jaclyn Hill from a video from a long time ago, and I just can't remember if I ever used these and if I like them, so I just really wanted to give these a shot and see. I like them because they're super tapered and they have a big flare on the outside, and I have been making this beautiful eye look today, and I want to add some really pretty lashes to the mix here. And so I am going to go ahead and trim these just a tad, and I will be back with the demo.
You can find your peace out on your own. While I pick up my pieces, and I don't mean to seem so cold. I'm breaking my own heart, baby, but I'm not staying where I don't fit. No, I'm done breaking my back for this, yeah. Oh, I'm taking it easy way out. I'm taking it easy, yeah. There's no safe in the ship, but we're sinking now. And I won't be the one to figure it out. Yeah, I'm taking the easy way out. The easy way out. Seems like I always play the savior. I'll fight the fire right before it can burn you down. But I'm done pushing me aside for someone. Oh, I'm taking the easy way out. Yeah, there's no safe in the ship, but we're sinking now. Oh, and I won't be the one to figure it out.
Alright guys, I am back with the lashes applied. I had trouble. I don't think it was the lash, I think it was me. But these are gorgeous. I love them. I would have to give these a 10 out of 10. Number one, because it has a very flexible and almost invisible band that was easy to mask. Number two, because I love the style. I love the way that it flares out. It makes my eyes look super cat eye-ish, and it just really accents and makes this look even more beautiful. I think that these were the perfect choice. I mean, look how uplifted my eye looks. My eyes are naturally very puppy dog-ish and downturned on the edges, but the fact that it has this huge flare at the end really makes my eyes look uplifted and almond shaped, and I think that is so pretty. They blend in with my natural lashes very well also. And the band is should have been pretty user-friendly. I'll put it this way. I think that an amateur could use these very easily because the band is very flexible and easy to mask. I just love them. I think it's perfect. I think it would be perfect for a bridal look. I think it would be perfect for a formal look. I also think you could just wear it because you want to look fancy that day. It's just one of those things. But let's give it a eyeglass wearer test and see if they hit my glasses. They do not hit my glasses. And I kind of thought they would. But they do not. So they are definitely eyeglass wearer approved. I pushed them up really far, and I kind of can feel a little bit of the lash touching, but ordinarily I don't push my glasses up that far. This is where I normally wear them. So as far as wearing glasses with them, they're gonna be just fine. So to wrap this all up, I am a fan of the Christina number 43s. Like I said, these are the same brand that I love the Demi Wispies from, and so I have another kind of Christina lash that I like. You can buy these in 12 packs, 6 packs for really inexpensive, couple dollars a pair at Amazon, and so I will link that down in the description box for you. What do you think? On your scale of 1 to 10, do you think these are a 10? I think these are a 10. You know, as far as lashes are concerned, I'm not super picky. I just want them to not be a nightmare to apply, and I want them to be beautiful. And I don't want them to be like facing downward. These are very upturned, just like I like. And it's not poking me in my inner corner. It's not bugging me on my outer corner. They are not super detectable. And I just think they look beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead real quick and just put, now that everything is dry, put a little mascara at the base. It looks like my natural lashes are blending in really easily with the false lash, which is another thing that makes them a 10. But I think they're gorgeous, and I am super happy with them. But I would love to know your opinion down in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this little mini review and demo, even though it took me forever to put them on. But I really like them, and I think it's very, it really accentuates the look and just adds a really dramatic flair, and it's just gorgeous. So like I said, I'll put the information down in the description box. If you like this eye look, I will link you up there if you'd like to go see how I created this and just get caught up with me. You can click on there after you finish watching this video. But I am out of here for now. If you guys enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. You can click that cute little notification bell so that hopefully YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a video. Here's hoping, fingers crossed. But thank you again for being here. Appreciate it so much. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys.
I'll fight the fire right before it can burn you down.
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Sherri. I hope you're doing well today. I learned about them